Ever wondered what makes Middle Eastern cuisine so unique and irresistible? Well, it's more than just a meal. It's a rich tapestry woven with history, culture, and a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Middle Eastern cuisine represents a diverse range of cultures, from the sun-drenched markets of Marrakesh to the bustling streets of Istanbul. Each dish tells a story, each ingredient holds a secret, and together they create a culinary language that speaks to our senses. The complexity of flavors in Middle Eastern cuisine is unparalleled. Imagine the warmth of cumin, the punch of garlic, and the zest of lemon, all harmoniously blended in a single bite. Intrigued yet? This is just the tip of the flavor iceberg. Over the course of this video, we'll guide you through the intricate flavors and popular dishes that have put Middle Eastern cuisine on the global gastronomy map. Ready to dive into a world of rich flavors and mouth-watering dishes? Stay tuned! Middle Eastern cuisine, a fusion of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. The Eastern cuisine is a gastronomical tapestry woven with a variety of ingredients, a harmony of flavors, a symphony of textures. It brings together a culinary tradition that has been perfected over centuries. At the heart of Middle Eastern cuisine is the use of staple ingredients that give it its distinctive flavor profile. Olive oil, for instance, is a key component. It is used generously, not just for its health benefits, but also for the rich, earthy flavor it imparts. The golden liquid is often used in salads, for sautéing vegetables, and even for baking bread, making it an indispensable part of the Middle Eastern kitchen. Next, we have chickpeas, the humble legume that is transformed into delectable dishes like hummus and falafel. It's a powerhouse of protein, adding both substance and texture to the dishes it graces. Lamb, another cornerstone of Middle Eastern cuisine, used in a plethora of dishes. From succulent kebabs to hearty stews, the rich flavor of lamb is a favorite in many Middle Eastern households. Then there are the spices. The Middle Eastern pantry is a treasure trove of aromatic spices. Cumin with its warm, earthy flavor, coriander offering a hint of citrus, and turmeric with its vibrant color and mild, peppery taste are just a few that lend their magic to this cuisine. But let's not forget the importance of fresh herbs and vegetables. Parsley, mint, dill, and a host of other herbs add a refreshing touch to the dishes. Vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, and tomatoes are used abundantly, adding color, texture, and a wealth of nutrients. These ingredients, each with its own unique flavor, come together to create a culinary experience that is truly Middle Eastern. They form the base of our Middle Eastern culinary journey, a journey that is as diverse as it is flavorful. These ingredients form the base of our Middle Eastern culinary journey. If you're enjoying this culinary journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures. Now that we know the key flavors, let's explore some iconic Middle Eastern dishes. First on our list is hummus, a staple in many Middle Eastern meals. This creamy dip is made by blending chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Each ingredient adds a unique flavor to the dish. Chickpeas provide a mild nuttiness, tahini adds richness, lemon juice gives it a refreshing tang, and garlic brings a hint of warmth. With its smooth texture and versatile flavor profile, hummus is often served with pita bread or used as a spread in sandwiches. Next up, we have falafel. These deep-fried balls or patties are made from ground chickpeas or fava beans mixed with a variety of herbs and spices. The outside is crunchy while the inside remains soft and fluffy. The blend of spices, which often includes cumin, coriander, and garlic, gives falafel its signature earthy and slightly spicy flavor. Let's move on to tabbouleh, a vibrant salad that originated in Lebanon. Tabbouleh is a mix of finely chopped parsley, mint, tomato, and onion, tossed with bulgur wheat, lemon juice, and olive oil. The freshness of the herbs, the tanginess of the lemon, and the richness of the olive oil create a refreshing and satisfying balance of flavors. Tabbouleh is often enjoyed as a side dish or a light meal on its own. Last but certainly not least, we have the famous shawarma. Shawarma is a mouth-watering dish made from marinated meat, often chicken or beef, that's stacked on a vertical spit and slow-roasted for hours. The meat is then thinly sliced and served in a warm pita with a variety of sauces and vegetables. The slow roasting process allows the flavors of the marinade, typically a mix of spices like coriander, turmeric, and garlic, to deeply penetrate the meat, resulting in a dish that's bursting with flavor. These dishes represent just a glimpse of the vast Middle Eastern culinary landscape. You've probably heard of hummus, but do you know how to make it at home? Today, we're going to walk through a simple recipe for this creamy, savory delight. Hummus, a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, is a versatile dish that can be served as a dip, spread, or even a main course. The star of this dish is the humble chickpea. When cooked and blended, these little legumes transform into a smooth, rich paste that forms the base of our hummus. Chickpeas are not only delicious, but also packed with protein and fiber, making hummus a nutritious choice. Next, we add tahini, a sesame seed paste. Tahini lends a unique nutty flavor to the hummus and contributes to its creamy texture. Just a spoonful or two can make a world of difference. Garlic is another key component. The pungent, spicy notes of fresh garlic cut through the richness of the chickpeas and tahini, adding depth and complexity to the dish. We can't forget about the lemon juice. The bright, tangy acidity of fresh lemon juice balances out the flavors and keeps the hummus from feeling too heavy. To add a little bit of luxury to our hummus, we drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. The oil adds a silky smoothness and a hint of fruitiness that elevates the dish to a whole new level. Finally, we season with salt, and for those who like a bit of a kick, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. The salt enhances the flavors of the other ingredients, while the cayenne adds a touch of heat. After blending these ingredients together until smooth, you'll have a dish that is so much more than the sum of its parts. The creamy chickpeas, the nutty tahini, the spicy garlic, the tangy lemon, and the luxurious olive oil all come together to create a flavor explosion that is nothing short of divine. So, grab a pita bread, dip in, and savor every bite. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of enjoying a dish you've made from scratch. And voila! You now have your homemade hummus, a classic Middle Eastern delicacy. Next on our culinary journey is the ever-popular falafel. Falafel, a traditional Middle Eastern dish, is a delectable fritter made from ground chickpeas mixed with a blend of aromatic herbs and spices. It's a versatile dish, perfect as a snack, part of a mise, or tucked into a fluffy pita bread with a dash of tahini sauce. Let's dive right into the process of making it. We start off with dried chickpeas. And yes, it's important to use dried chickpeas, not canned, for the best texture. Soak them in water overnight until they're plump and doubled in size. Next, we're going to incorporate the flavor. We'll need fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro, which give falafel its distinct green color and earthy taste. Add in onions and garlic for some zesty kick, then cumin and coriander, two spices that are absolutely essential for that authentic falafel flavor. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Drain the chickpeas and combine them with the herbs, spices, garlic, and onions in a food processor. Pulse until you get a coarse mixture. Be careful not to overprocess it into a paste. You want to maintain some texture. Once you've achieved the right consistency, it's time to shape your falafel. Using your hands, form the mixture into small, round patties or balls. This is where you can get creative. Just remember, they should be compact enough to hold together during frying. Speaking of frying, heat up a generous amount of oil in a deep pan. You're aiming for a medium-high heat here. Carefully place your falafel into the oil and fry until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Be sure to turn them occasionally for an even color. Finally, remove your falafel from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel. This helps to get rid of any excess oil, ensuring your falafel are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And there you have it, your very own homemade falafel. Delicious! So, we've traveled through the flavors of Middle Eastern cuisine and even prepared some dishes. Our journey began with an exploration of the tantalizing flavors that make Middle Eastern cuisine so unique. We discovered the magic of spices like cumin, cardamom, and turmeric, which are the heart and soul of these dishes. Then, we embarked on a culinary adventure, exploring popular Middle Eastern dishes. We delved into the rich textures and flavors of iconic dishes like shawarma, kebab, and tabbouleh, cherishing the diversity and complexity of this cuisine. Our hands-on experience didn't stop there. We rolled up our sleeves and got our hands dirty, preparing some classic Middle Eastern dishes. From the creamy, smooth texture of hummus to the crispy, golden brown falafels, we mastered the art of Middle Eastern cooking. Our culinary journey was filled with vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and timeless cooking techniques. I hope this inspires you to bring these divine Middle Eastern flavors into your own kitchen. Remember, the joy of cooking lies in the journey, not just the destination, so get creative and happy cooking. Did you enjoy our journey through Middle Eastern cuisine? From the fragrant spices to the tantalizing dishes and hands-on cooking, we've had quite the culinary adventure today. If this has whet your appetite for more, we invite you to join our culinary family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any future food escapades. Together, we can explore cuisines from around the world, learn new recipes, and master different cooking techniques. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's continue this delicious journey together. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video. Before we wrap up this flavorful journey, we have something exciting to share with you. As part of our culinary family, we want to offer you more than just recipes and cooking tips. We've partnered with several hotels and culinary experiences across the Middle East to give you a chance to immerse yourself in these rich and diverse cultures. From dining in the heart of Dubai to exploring the culinary streets of Istanbul, there's an adventure waiting for everyone. And guess what? As part of our family, you get to enjoy exclusive discounts and offers on these experiences. Just imagine tasting the dishes we've explored today right from their origin, cooked by the local chefs who've mastered them over generations. It's an opportunity too delicious to pass up. To avail these offers, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. Remember, these are exclusive offers only for our subscribers. So don't miss out on these amazing opportunities to take your culinary journey to the next level. Don't miss out on these amazing offers. Click the link below and let your taste buds explore the world. Until our next culinary adventure, happy cooking and bon voyage.